Good morning, student. I am your teacher of accountancy in Dr. Dukhanam DAV Public School, Gola Road. This is my first lecture for you in subject of accountancy. First, we have to understand about the syllabus of accountancy for 11th class, and this is for CBSE only, not for other board. In exam, one paper will be for 3 hours and for $80 marks. The syllabus of accountancy has been divided into two parts, Part A and Part B. Part A have 2 units. First unit and Part A have financial accounting 1. Unit 1 is related to theoretical framework. We have to study about all the theory of accounting, basic accounting term, and it will be for 15 marks. Unit 2 also will be related to theory and practical both, and it will be for 35 marks. So total will be from Part A 50 marks, and Part B also, this is financial accounting second. Unit 3, financial statement of sole proprietorship from complete and incomplete records. So it will be of 20 marks. Unit 4 will be computer in accounting, and it will be for 10 marks. Then total will be 30 marks. And Part C will be for project work. It will bring 20 marks, and hence we can say theory paper will be for 3 hours 80 marks, 50 plus 30, and project will be for 20 marks. So total will be 100 marks. Now we have to study about accountancy. So in first unit, theoretical framework, I have many chapters given, and we have to learn. So first I am going to teach chapter 1, that is Introduction to Accounting. Under this chapter, learning objective will be learning objective after studying this chapter, you should be able to understand, or we can say learning objective will be need for accounting, second, meaning of accounting, third, characteristics of accounting, objective of accounting. Next point will be objective of accounting, function of accounting, etc. are many learning objective of this chapter. So first I want to explain the need for accounting. What is the need for accounting? We can say at the end of each year, all the businessmen want to know how much they have gained or lost during the year. How much capital is invested in the business at the end of the year? How much amount they are liable to pay and to whom they owe it? How much is owed to them and by whom, etc. In order to attain such information, it is essential to keep a complete and systematic record of each and every business transaction entered into during the year. By keeping a complete and systematic record of every business dealing, the businessman can know how much is the amount of purchase, how much is the amount of sale, what are his total expenses, and what is the amount of profit earned or loss incurred during the year. Furthermore, he can ascertain the financial position of his business, such as how much capital it has at the end of the year and how that capital stand invest in various assets, how much amount he has to take and from whom, and how much amount he is liable to pay and to whom, besides the properly maintained account, are helpful in the assessment of income tax and goods and service tax, that is also called GST, and re-accepted as a proof in the court of law whenever needed. So these are the need of accounting. Now, second point is meaning of accounting. Meaning of accounting means we can give definition of accounting, a definition is given by AICPA. AICPA means American Institute of Certified Public Accountant. Definition is given: accounting is the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner and in term of money. Transactions and events which are in part at least of a financial character and interpreting the result thereof. Accounting is the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transaction and events which are in part at least of a financial character and interpreting the result thereof. So this is the meaning given by AICPA, American Institute of Certified Public Accountant. There are many definitions has been given by many authors and many scholars. We can also say other definition. Nearly every business enterprise has accounting system. It is a means of collecting, summarizing, analyzing and reporting in monetary terms informations about business. This definition is given by R.N. Anthony. Now I will meet in next video by continuing this chapter and topic. Next video will be characteristics of accounting. It will be based on objective of accounting, function of accounting and some other point. Thank you.